Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a Tracfone TCL Flip 3 and want to set everything up correctly so calls, text and mobile service start working, the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 turns on but activation feels confusing, while other times people are unsure when to insert the SIM or connect service. Since activation and setup both matter for getting the phone fully ready, following the right order can make everything feel smoother and faster. The best part is that with a few simple steps, your Tracfone TCL Flip 3 should be ready to use without much trouble. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to set up and activate a Tracfone TCL Flip 3. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 and follow the welcome screen instructions carefully. Step 2. Check if the SIM card inside the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 is properly installed. Step 3. Connect the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 to Wi-Fi if setup asks for internet. Step 4. Enter activation details linked with the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 if service setup appears. Step 5. Restart the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 after activation finishes to refresh the connection. Step 6. Test calls or text messages on the Tracfone TCL Flip 3 and confirm service works normally.